Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. So we have two bloom blowouts with the hairdryer in this video. You can check the description below for the bloom recipe, cell activator recipe, and coupon codes. All the products that I use, everything's listed underneath the video. So if you can't see it, if you're watching from your phone, there should be an arrow. Just click on that and it'll pull the description box down. So today we are using the Glitz line by Colourarte Blissful Bordeaux. Grab that coupon code EricaHughes120 and save yourself some money. You get 20% off your order at Colourarte.com. This is the Chameleon that I was dying to try. This is from Pearls, Powders, and Pigments. They sent me a bunch of samples a while back, so I'm giving it a go, and it is stunning. That is the Amsterdam Oxide Black. This is also Oxide Black, but the cell activator. So the other one was mixed with the bloom recipe. This one is mixed as a cell activator, which is the Australian Flood Floetrol and the Amsterdam paint. Nothing else, no water, no silicone. Oh, what else? Okay, so you'll want to stick around for the close-up. Lights on close-up, and then the lights off flash on close-up, so you can see what this Chameleon does. It is stunning. What else? What else? So here at the last minute, I decided to add some Amsterdam Titanium White Cell Activator. Notice the way I put it down. Didn't really know why I was doing that at first, but after I blew out the bloom, it gave these like really cool highlights in the overall piece. So I'll definitely be doing that again. See there, I'm thinking, and then I just grab it and start squiggling it around like that. But yeah, just notice the highlights that it's giving. Cool piece. I'm super excited about this one. I hope you guys like it. Oh, what else? Note, in this video, my lighting is terrible. You'll see when I'm starting to tilt. It was an issue. I didn't really notice it until after I did the pour. When I was doing my close-ups, it was just a mess. And with the light reflection, and it was not good. So I keep saying it, but I do need lighting. So I've tried a ring light, don't like that. I don't like how you can see the ring light. So if anybody has any suggestions on what kind of a lighting, reasonably priced and what would be good, convenient, and easy and storable, because I'm working in my kitchen in a very tiny corner and I gotta be able to pack stuff away. So let me know if you have any suggestions. I might hit up Mark Gilday and see if he has any suggestions, because I think he's good in that department. You'll see now it gets all with the light. It was irritating when I was editing the video. I was like, oh. Yes. Let's see. And I'm not trying to wreck your heads by wiggling the board back and forth. I'm just kind of walking the paint down. There was a part of me that was like, oh, I wish I had my spinner, but it is what it is, and I have fun tilting, so. Things do tend to stay, the structure of the lacing and the cells, when you spin it out, it just gets spread evenly, so you don't really lose your definition of your cells and lacing. So tilting can be a challenge, so if you're new to the bloom technique, spinning is probably the way to go, just to get used to everything. However, I do enjoy tilting. And I have 15% off code in the description below if you wanted to take the Shelly Art Bloom Technique e-course. There's a link below. You can check it out for yourself and see if you want to take it. All right, don't forget the close-up, guys, because it's pretty sweet. That Chameleon. What else was I going to ask you? Okay, I have a few sets of the Putting on the Glitz by Colourarte that I ship to the EU and the UK. I do not know yet if when shipping to the UK, if you get hit with customs fees and whatever. I, however, do have somebody who commented yesterday, I believe, that I shipped to a set, and she's going to let me know if she gets hit. But I think there's a threshold, and I think a set and shipping price is under that threshold. Don't quote me, but I will let you guys know anyway when she lets me know. But I wanted to know, is there anything that you guys in the EU would like, or the UK would like me to order on my next wholesale order? Do you guys want to see prism pours, more jars, sets, any specific colors you guys want? Let me know, because I want to get my order in, but I don't want to, I want to order stuff that you guys want to get your hands on. So let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions. Another thing I was thinking about last night, what would you guys think of a live stream where I basically just mix up a whole bunch of colors with the Bloom recipe and have the hubby cut me a whole bunch of smaller boards, like a 10-inch, some 8-inch, and just kind of either you guys call out colors or we just do whatever colors and blow some blooms, and we can spin some, swipe some, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's just something I'm thinking about doing. I've done one live, and that was 2 years ago, maybe. Well, about probably a year and a half ago. So let me know if you guys would be interested in doing that or seeing that. So we're coming into the close-up. Okay. Ignore the bad lighting. So you can see there how it shifts or changes colors. And definitely when the lights go out and the flash comes on, which is going to happen right now. Boom. Love it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I am probably be using that Chameleon again. I think I'm gonna order another one, a different shade as well. Play around with that. That's fun. Look at that. And then of course we have the shimmer and the bling from Glitz. And next up, we have another 10-inch round, and we're going to do another blowout using some different colors. So this is the Liquitex Iridescent White. And we have the Golden Bright Gold. And this is this little piggy sangria. And the next one is another Glitz, the Laguna Azul, one of my personal favorites. I believe you can buy these loose now, I'm not sure. But I do have the sets left again. For the EU. And then Golden Phthalo Turquoise. Clearly I'm not really level there. You can see the paint puddle is like going towards me. So yeah, this is all the same mix and everything like that. Again, check the description box under the video for the recipes. And I really don't have anything else to say. I think I said it all in my rambles in the first pour. So again, thank you for joining me. And if you haven't subscribed, Please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos and when I do premiere videos, or if I decide to do the live with, you'll get notified of all that. So yeah, let me know about the live anyway, if you guys would be interested in that. I thought that could be kind of fun. You see there, I went to blow that and my hair dryer was on low, so it didn't really do anything. Okay guys, I will stop wrecking your heads and I will talk to you soon. Bye!